Today we're going to make this fountain pen. We're going to start by cutting our blanks to the correct length. And then we'll set up the lathe so that we can drill our holes for the tubes through them. Then we're going to sand up our tubes and then glue them into the blanks themselves. And then we're going to use a barrel trimmer and trim up the blanks so that they are even with the tubes before we put them on the lathe. Now we're just going to turn these down to our bearings and get our shape. And then we're going to sand up to 600. I'm going to start at 150 grit. We're going to skip over most of this. Once we're done sanding, we're going to do our micro mesh. And again, I'm going to skip over most of it once we get there. Now I'm just going to clean off the water with a paper towel and use some Renaissance wax to polish this blank up. Now we just need to assemble everything together. To make it easier, I like to lay out all the parts where they go. That way you can just pop everything together and everything is already in order. It makes it a little bit easier. And here it is, guys. I love these pens. I can barely write with them. They're just too fancy for me, but they're so cool looking. We have these in our store. There's a few different colors. If you guys like this video, leave us a comment below or give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.